With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is if fx equals to what? Tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus 2 having the power of what? 2x plus 1. Then we have to find the value of sigma r equals to what? 0 to 9. Okay, fr function is what? As this is an fx function here. So first of all, I can write here that this is what my solution part here. Okay guys, so this can be done as what? Fx given to me in the question. Fx is basically what? Tan inverse of what? This function, which is what? Which is here I have written 2x divided by what? 1 plus 2, 2x plus 1. Okay, sorry, plus 1 is in the power. So just let me correct it down here. This should be in the power of plus 1. Okay, this is the function given to me. Now I'm going to do one thing. We know that this is what in a product 2x is the product of what? 1. 2x into 1 is basically 2x. So I can write here this now 1. This 1 can be done as further. If I rearrange this function fx now, so this will become what? 2x. I can write 1 as what? 2 minus 1, right? Because 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Divide by basically now 1 plus 2 having the power of 2 having the power of what? 2x plus 1. So this can be done as what? This can be done as 2x with the product of what? 2x plus 1, right? Because you can see now this will become x plus 1 will be 2x plus 1 eventually, this result here. So this can be rearranged as this function in this form. Okay, so now moving further, this can be done as what? Okay, I can write this equation as now tan inverse of what? 2x into 2 will be what? 2x plus 1. So 2 having the power of x plus 1 minus of what? 2 divided by what? Okay guys, so this can be done as here now. I can write this function as here 1 plus what? Okay, so basically this will become 2x here also, right? Because we can see that this is a product of what? 2 into 2x into what? Minus of 1. So this will be minus of 2x. So now this will become what? 1 plus here my 2x plus 1 dot 2x, right? I can write this into this form. And now if you guys look here carefully, you can observe one thing. What? This is somehow written in the form of what? Tan inverse of what? A, right? Minus of what? B. And they are divided by 1 plus a b, right? If this is my a and this is my b, so this is in this format. So basically this is the identity of what, or we can say this is the formula of what? My tan inverse of a, right, minus of my tan inverse of b, right? You know guys very well. So this is the identity here we are using. So in that case I can write this function as now, this function can be written as further. I can write this function as what? Tan inverse of what? A minus b. So I can write here that my fx or updated fx will be what? Tan inverse of 2x plus 1, 2 having the power of x plus 1. Okay, minus of what? Minus of my tan inverse of 2x. Okay, so basically now this is my updated value of this function fx. Now question says that in the given question it says that we have to find the value of what? Sigma r equals to 0 to 9 for the function fr. Okay, r is the variable here in that case. So this can be done as what? Fr, okay, equals to basically, okay, this will become updated x value will be what? This will become sigma r equals to 0 to what? 9 here, and tan inverse of what? Tan inverse of 2x plus 1 or r plus 1. This time this will be r plus 1 because we are having variable in terms of r plus 1, and minus of what? Again sigma r equals to 0 to 9, 2 having the power of what? R. Okay, and here we have, sorry, this is, there should be tan inverse also before. So just let me correct it down here. This will be tan inverse of 2 having the power of what? R. Now we have to find this value. Okay, now look guys carefully here. This series will become what? Okay, so if I put the value of r as 0 here, first of all, so this will become what? Tan inverse of 2. Okay, so this will become tan inverse of what? 2, because 0 plus 1 is what? Sorry, 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So this will become tan 2 having the power of 0 plus 1, which is what? 1 here. And if I put the value of rx 1, so this will become 1 plus 1 2. So this will be plus of tan inverse of what? 2 having the power of 2 here. Now again this will become what? Tan inverse of my tan inverse of value will be what? Okay, so this will be tan inverse of 3. 2 having the power of what? 3, and it will go up to what? Last term, which is what? And last value is what? 9. So 9 plus 1 is what? 10. So this will become tan inverse of 2 having the power of what? 10. After this there is a minus series. Sorry, there is a minus first of all. If there is a minus here, and after this will become what? This will become also, if I remove bracket here, so every term will become into negative term. So this can be done as what? First term r equals to 0. So this will become tan inverse 2 to the power 0 minus of what? Tan inverse, if I put the value of r as 1, 2 to the power 1 minus of tan inverse 2 to the power 2, and it will go up to what? Sorry, this should be a subtraction here, not summation sign. Just let me correct it. Subtraction. So it will go up to what? It will go minus of what? Okay, my last term will be what? R having the value of 9 in the last side. So this will become tan inverse 2 to the power 9. Okay, so now you guys can notice one thing clearly. Every term is what? Cancelling out with the other term. Which one? Okay, so first of all, you guys can see carefully this tan inverse 2 1 having the cancelling out with this one 2 square cancelling out with this one. Similarly, tan inverse of 2 having the power of 3 will cancel out this other term of this series. Okay, and here we are left with also tan inverse 2 to the power 9. Also, this is negative. Also cancel out with the previous term of this before term, tan inverse 2 to the power 10, right? So, and also after this we are only left with two options. We are only left with this one, tan inverse 2 to the power 10, and this one, tan inverse minus of tan inverse 2 to the power 0. So after this I can write here that this will become tan inverse of 2 having the power of 10 minus tan inverse of 2 to the power 0. Okay, also I can write 2 to the power 0 as what? 1 clearly here. So I can write here that this will become what? 1. Okay, so now moving further, what this okay, now I can expand this using the identity of what? Tan inverse A minus tan inverse B, which we already used before, which is that tan inverse A minus tan inverse B equals what? Basically tan inverse of A minus B divided by what? 1 plus AB, right? We also used this before. Since we know this identity here, so after this I'm going to implement this identity onto this function. So this will become what? Okay guys, so this will become tan inverse of 2 to the power 10 minus of what? 1 divided by 1 minus 2 to the power 10 with the product of what? 1. Okay, so this will become what? Okay, look guys carefully now. This will become tan inverse of 2 to the power 10. Okay, so basically this is 1024. So I can say 1024 minus of 1 divided by 1. Okay, this should be a plus, not minus. This should be a plus. So 1 plus 1024. Okay, this is the series we are having now. So this will become what? Tan inverse of 1024 minus 1 is what? 1023, and this will 1025 in the denominator section, 1025. So I can say that this is the end result we are looking for, or this is the answer for the required summation we are required for this FR function, right? So my FR function here is what? Basically the given to me the solution will come out as what? Tan inverse of 1023 divided by what? 1025 exactly. So now if I go to the options, according to you guys, which option is correct? Exactly, option number 3 is the correct option we are looking for.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.